Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see tricks to speed up your old laptop. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. This video is sponsored by T-Vibe Wear the Trend. I'll be attaching the link in the description. You can go check out their collection. Now, let's get into the video. For this, we need to use the shortcut Windows plus R, or we can just directly go to the Windows and you can search for run. So use the shortcut Windows plus R, and here you need to enter percent temp percent. Click on OK, and now whatever files you see, just select them all and delete them, and whichever cannot be deleted, so you can just let them stay. And after this, now click on this Windows plus run again, and now enter prefetch in this way and click on OK. And again, clear these files, whatever you see over here. Click on the delete, and whatever you can delete, clear them. These are the two easiest and quickest things that you can do to speed up your computer in a very safe manner without losing any other changes. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BZ Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.